Good day, good day. It is now 10 a.m. Did you take your D3 this day? Gotta get that word out of my head. Take your D3 every day. Anywho, so we did the air fryer chicken. Let's do some cinnamon rolls. Got her cracked and ready. Yeah, we're gonna do these cinnamon rolls with some eggs. Let's see if I can work with one hand. No. We'll be back. You only get 8 in there. Let's give them some separation. Separation. Let's give them some separation. Separation. Anywho, okay, y'all. There's the cream. Let's turn her on. Let's find. See, y'all, I always fiddle with it, so we definitely know it's not fries. Let's just try cake. 300 degrees. 30 minutes. No, that's not the one. It's bread. 320 on 8 minutes. But watch it carefully. Press start. Noni, 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 noni. So, here's another tip / trick. To have great eggs, you could either put a teaspoon of water or a tablespoon of water in your eggs to make them fluffy, or you can even try a tablespoon of I'm gonna say a teaspoon of pancake mix. I'm gonna put water in mine. My egg thingy I got from Dots. Okay, DD's. $5.99. I need one more. Every time I go, they're so scarce. So I got 2. I need one more. Let's see how those cinnamon rolls are going. Press pause. Wait till she completely is off. Open her up. They have risen. Do we go the full 8 minutes? I think so. Since it's on 4 more minutes, let's just do 2 more. But I do recall, oh, that was biscuits. I didn't go the full 8 minutes with the biscuits, and they were kind of slightly undone in the middle. So go the full 8 minutes with biscuits. But this is our first time trying it with cinnamon rolls. So we have 4 minutes left. Let's do 2 more. Okay, y'all, I got my water in my eggs. We slightly burned the butter. Let's pour her. Are you guys like me that don't like to see the white sperm in the eggs? And I go through every egg and I tend to pick it out. It takes a while. But y'all, it just looks, I don't know, TMI. But I go through them and I be trying to get them all out. I don't know why. I just can't deal with it. So let's get these eggs underway. I know I'm supposed to be using a wooden spoon, but you get the gist. Do you see how nice those eggs are looking and fluffy and so bouncy, bouncy, bouncy? Okay, let me stop. Why am I like this? Okay, so let's put the icing on the cinnamon roll. This is how the eggs are looking, mixed with a little bit of water to make them fluffier. And we have some chai tea mixed with Hughes Brother 100% Colombia coffee. Oh, it's chai. I don't know if that's tea or coffee, but it's in a Keurig cup thingy. And I just mixed the two together. 100% Colombian Hughes Brother coffee with the chai coffee or whatever that is. But it's in a Keurig thingy. I'll show you as the hubby continues to ice the kids. Cinnamon rolls. So this is how that's looking. So it's disgusting by itself. I don't know why. I used to like this from you know, that famous coffee place. I used to like this, but I guess when you buy it in person, it's not that good. And I mixed it with the Hughes Brothers. Anywho, tastes better together than separate. Well, I like the 100% Colombian coffee because I like it like that. I like it like that. I don't know why I'm like this. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching on how you can cook cinnamon rolls in an air fryer. Bye, y'all.